Camping outdoors is a lifetime adventure for many of us, but most of us struggle to keep our food fresh and enjoyable for a long time. That's why you need portable fridge and freezer that can keep your food fresh and enhance the total experience of your outdoor trip. In today's video, we are going to show you the top best camping fridge freezers that you should have to make your outdoor camping trip full of convenience. It's really important to keep your food and beverages fresh in outdoors, but to keep your food fresh for long in outdoors can be difficult without a portable fridge and freezer. That's why you need Edgestar 80 Quart. Edgestar has been producing great quality cooler and fridge for outdoor enthusiasts with great build quality and features to make your trip a success. It offers a massive 80 quart storage space and comes with separate fridge and freezer box that allows you to easily keep each item according to your need and keep them fresh for a long time. It offers temperature range from -22 degrees Celsius and that allows you to set desired temperature according to your need to achieve optimum cooling experience. It also comes with fast freeze mode to cool down temperature instantly. This fridge and freezer comes with 12-volt DC compatibility that allows you to easily run it from your car's 12-volt cigarette port or any portable generator in outdoors. Weighing at around 66 pounds, this fridge and freezer is super compact, allowing you to carry it on any trip easily. If you love to enjoy fresh food and icy cold drinks in outdoors, then you definitely need the Edgestar 80 Quart fridge and freezer to make your trip a total success. No outdoor party is complete without fresh food and icy cold drinks, but to bring fresh food and cold drinks outdoor, you need Whynter FM-45G. Whynter has been producing great quality portable air conditioners, coolers, fridge and freezers with premium build quality in order to satisfy your needs in outdoors. It comes with a 45 quart storage space and comes with separate dual box where you can keep all of your camping food supply in one place and keep them fresh for a long time. This fridge and freezer offers -22 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius temperature range and comes with fast and freeze feature that can cool down all of your food and beverages within a short time. It can run on both 12, 24-volt DC and 110-volt AC power, allowing you to easily use it in your car or in your house as a regular fridge and freezer. Weighing at around 45 pounds, this fridge and freezer's feature-packed body can go anywhere with you and provides fresh food every time you open the lid. If you are looking to buy a feature-packed fridge and freezer for your outdoor trip, then the Whynter FM-45G 45 Quart is the right choice for you. Who does not want to enjoy fresh food and beverage on their outdoor trip? But keeping the food fresh in outdoors can be tricky. That's why you need Engel MR040F-U1 40 Quart. The Engel portable refrigerator freezer is a combination of performance, capacity, and more, and they have been doing it for a long time with extreme precision. This top opening refrigerator freezer offers storage space up to 40 quart and keeps your food and beverages cool in between highest 7 degrees Celsius and lowest minus 17 degrees Celsius for an extended period of time. It uses super quiet, highly efficient angle compressor for its cooling system, which consumes lower amount of power from other fridges on the market. It comes with AC/DC power cord and allows you to use it from your car's 12-volt DC port, making it the perfect portable refrigerator freezer for your road trip. It comes with wire basket, handles, and mounting screws to give you the ultimate portable experience and the ability to carry it anywhere. If you are in the market for an energy-efficient refrigerator freezer for your long road trip, then this is the right choice for you. Everyone wants to enjoy fresh food and cold beverages in outdoors. But without a perfect fridge and freezer, you might get to do that. That's why you need ARP-1080-0472 fridge and freezer. Engineered in Australia, to handle their extreme conditions, ARP fridge freezers offer uncompromising performance with a temperature range to fulfill all of your cooling needs. It offers a massive 50-quart storage space and comes with divider basket that allows you to keep all of your food and beverages in one place and keep them fresh. This fridge and freezer can maintain an interior temperature of 0 degrees Celsius for true in-vehicle refrigeration and freezing to make your trip convenient. It comes with AC/DC power cord and allows you to use it from your car's 12-volt DC port, making it the perfect portable fridge freezer for your road trip. It continues to actively cool contents while the vehicle is off and features an adjustable automatic battery protection system that prevents vehicle battery rundown. Weighing at around 3 pounds, this fridge and freezer is super lightweight and compact enough so that you can easily carry it on any trip. The ARP-1080-0472 fridge freezer can keep all of your camping food supply fresh to enhance your camping trip. Looking for the ultimate cooling solution for your food and beverage in outdoors? Then you need DOMETIC WAECO CFX75DZW, a feature-packed and powerful fridge and freezer that is built to make your trip full of convenience. DOMETIC is pioneer in making some of the best fridge and freezer for outdoor lovers, which are made from premium material and packs a lot of features to make every trip more enjoyable. It comes with 75 quart storage space with dual zone cooling system that allows you to individually cool each compartment according to your choice for optimum cooling experience. With it, you can deep freeze your food supply down to minus 21 degrees Celsius and have a range of up to 10 degrees Celsius, so that you can always set your desired temperature without any interruption. Equipped with advanced compressor electronics, it ensures ultra-low power consumption using AC, DC, and also runs on solar power so that you can enjoy the freedom to go off-grid. It also comes with 3-stage dynamic battery protection system that automatically shuts the device off to prevent a dead car starter battery and improves car battery performance. It features built-in Wi-Fi that allows you to connect it to the DOMETIC smartphone app and monitor its status wirelessly. You can also set desired temperature via the smartphone app. Weighing at around 69 pounds, this fridge and freezer is compact enough to be the perfect companion of your outdoor trip. If you are on the market for a futuristic fridge and freezer with many unique features for your outdoor camping trip, then the DOMETIC WAECO CFX75DZW is the right choice for you. So that was all about the best camping fridge and freezer for outdoor. Like, share and comment your thoughts below if you like this video. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.